fight for the rebound. Manzano has it.
The interior defense of Quezon, 5 white shirts controlling and protecting the inside.
Oh, look at Manansala, able to pick up the loose ball. On the floor for Quezon. Extreme ang subok at kompleto appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Pingris up against Macaloni. Ping gets the roll. Cañete. Fade away. He gets the bounce as well. Banal. Cañete. Macaloni. Jumper. Gets it to go. Letting a lot of physicality go here. Caballero attacks baseline. Nick with a reverse.
That's what you need. Someone coming off the outside to be able to provide points para dito sa Biñan Tatak in the UAAP. This guy is a gifted scorer. He was averaging around 19 points and he showed it right there what he can do.
Raimundo, baba kay Pingris. Up against Macaloni. Caballero cuts. Cyrus. Tabi launches the 3. It's good.
Big 3 coming from Cyrus Tabi. That's why substituted Cyrus Tabi and Judel Fuentes to stretch out the floor to add offense. And right on cue, nakashoot agad itong si Cyrus Tabi.
And Pamboy comes right back with a 3-pointer. Labas kay Pamboy. A lot of time on the shot clock. Mike. Naswertehan si Kenny Rocacorva. Judel up against Pamboy. 5 seconds to shoot. Tabi against Rocacorva. Cañete from the corner. Just in the nick of time. 2.5 minutes remaining. Pamboy gets it to Mabulak. Labas kay Caballero. Nick. Great pick galing kay Mark Pingris. Manzano against Pingris. Tabi. Manzano push shot, yes.
He really likes that space whenever.
Quezon with the answer so far. Pingris, nabitawan ng bola. Caballero gathers and scores.
And they're asking for a review here. The new head coach of LPU Juniors.
Ooh. Oh, I tell you, Quezon, they have responded with some really good plays down the stretch here. Caballero off the glass and in.
We continue to talk about culture. They've been
and that's it. Quezon passing its first test of the season